If you're in the market for a reliable and easy-to-use juicer, this POTANE Juicer Machine might be on your radar. Promising efficient juice extraction and convenience, this centrifugal juicer is designed for both fruits and vegetables. Let's dive into its features, performance, and potential drawbacks to help you decide if it's the right choice for you. The POTANE Juicer Machine boasts a sleek and modern design with a compact footprint, making it an attractive addition to any kitchen counter. It features a 700-watt motor, which is sufficient for handling a wide variety of fruits and vegetables, including denser produce like carrots and beets. The juicer is built with a titanium-enhanced filter, which enhances the durability of the filter basket and improves juice extraction efficiency. One of the standout design elements is the user-friendly interface. The juicer comes with a simple dial for speed control, allowing you to switch between different settings based on the type of produce you're juicing. However, some users have reported issues with the dial, noting that it can be prone to breaking down over time. This is a crucial point to consider if you value long-term reliability in your kitchen appliances. When it comes to performance, the POTANE Juicer Machine does an admirable job of extracting juice from both soft and hard produce. The 700-watt motor provides enough power to handle tough fruits and vegetables, delivering smooth and consistent results. The titanium-enhanced filter plays a significant role in ensuring that the juice is well extracted and free from excess pulp. One of the notable features of this juicer is its centrifugal juicing mechanism, which separates the juice from the pulp efficiently. This process helps in retaining more nutrients and flavor from the produce. The wide feed chute allows for whole fruits and vegetables to be processed without extensive prep work, making the juicing experience faster and more convenient. Cleaning a juicer can often be a tedious task, but the POTANE Juicer Machine aims to simplify this process. The juicer is designed with removable parts, including the filter basket, juice container, and pulp container, all of which can be easily washed. The components are also dishwasher safe, which adds an extra layer of convenience for busy users. Despite these advantages, some users have reported that the cleaning process can be cumbersome, particularly when dealing with the filter basket. The titanium-enhanced filter, while effective, may require more thorough scrubbing to ensure that all residues are removed. Additionally, while the removable parts are dishwasher safe, some users prefer to hand wash them to avoid potential issues with dishwasher durability. While the POTANE Juicer Machine offers several appealing features, customer feedback has been mixed. Many users appreciate the initial performance and ease of use, but have raised concerns about the juicer's long-term durability. Specific issues reported include the dial breaking down after a few months of use and the motor experiencing reduced performance over time. Another point of concern has been customer service. Some users have reported difficulties in obtaining timely support or resolution for their issues. This can be particularly frustrating if you encounter problems with your juicer and need assistance or a replacement. The POTANE Juicer Machine offers good value for its price, especially if you're looking for a juicer with a high wattage motor and efficient extraction capabilities. Its ability to handle a variety of fruits and vegetables, coupled with its user-friendly design, makes it a solid choice for many home juicers. However, potential buyers should weigh the initial performance against the reported concerns regarding durability and customer service. If you're considering this juicer, it might be wise to keep an eye on the warranty and support options provided by the manufacturer. Additionally, ensure that you're comfortable with the cleaning process and prepared for potential issues with the dial or motor. For those who prioritize ease of use and efficient juicing, the POTANE Juicer Machine may still be a worthwhile investment, provided you understand the potential trade-offs in terms of long-term reliability. In summary, the POTANE Juicer Machine is a centrifugal juicer that excels in performance and convenience, with a few caveats regarding durability and customer service. Its 700-watt motor, titanium-enhanced filter, and user-friendly design make it a strong contender for those looking to juice a variety of fruits and vegetables efficiently. Just be aware of the potential issues and consider the overall value based on your juicing needs and preferences. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.